Is it true? Did you break up with your missus, or was it for the show? What wameniuliza niulize.
It was not for the show. Actually, it's not actually worth it for the show. The show was doing just fine, so it has nothing to do with that. In fact, that is pulling the show back.
So, tickets zinashuka kwa sababu ya breakup.
Story manze. Sasa ati ni kitu nilikuwa nataka, and it happens. Yeah, to so many people. So how you move forward is what counts.
So how are you moving forward? Did it happen a long time ago, or just as you announced it?
Zinakuja sana. But it happens. Kuna kuanga na misunderstandings, mambo inakuwa mingi. So let's see what the future holds.
Do you feel like niko sababu uko kwa limelight? Do you think that affects?
It does. It does affect a lot. It does affect a lot. It ina change vitu mingi. Kwa mse wanadate na wajulikani na wenye wanadate na wanajulikana ni two different things.
Yeah, it's true.
Yes, your mind is twisted by a lot of factors, including what people are saying, what people are commenting, and everything. So it can get into your head and reason kama watu. So it's very easy to get skewed.
That's true, because people can pressure you. Sasa utabaki na yeye na and if it was private, labda ni kitu mungeta.
Huyu jamaa alikuwa anakuangusha, achana na yeye, songa nini. Mulamwa you deserve.
Wewe pia unachochwa? Pia
mimi nachochwa mwanzo.
Hapana, ni msupu. Ndio ni msupu.
Kabisa.
Na mtoi ni msupu sana.
Wote.
You know? So you should, you should consider. Kuna mtoi for the baby. Mulamwa for the baby. For the baby.
But you never know what the future holds. But what I can tell people is that it's not for sure. Actually, singetaka kitu kama hiyo happen time nataka kufanya show. So it has nothing to do with the tickets at all. Hata ukiangalia clearly, it has nothing to do with the ticket sales. Yes.
Okay.